Hi friends, today I want to show for you a video that is how to get the unlimited coins keys in a Subway Surfers game. First, I'll show you how much money and keys are there in my Subway Surfers game. First, open it. Hi friends, now I opened the Subway Surfers game. Now I'll show you how much money is in my game. See, there is 0 rupees and they give freely 5 keys. Okay, anything is not unlocked. Boats are also not unlocked. Okay, now I'll show you how to hack the Subway Surfers game. First, open the Lucky Patcher. It takes some time. Ooh, wait for some time. Okay, it's open. Do you see there Subway Surfers? Click on it. Menu of patches. Click on it. Create modify APK file. Click on it. There is a APK reboot for in-app and LVL emulation. Click on it. Reboot the app. Now wait for some time. It start loading. So please wait for some time for 1 minute, at least 1 minute. After completing, wait for some time. After completing, it shows for you patch pattern N1 success and N2 success. If you get in both one fail and try again and try again. Okay, if you get one N1 and N2 is success, press on go to file, uninstall and install. Yes. Uninstall. Is uninstalling. Okay. Now it's scanning to install again. Continue installing. Next, install. It show for you like it because first we download Subway Surfers in Play Store. Again we download this game from Lucky Patcher. So it shows like this. Anyway, unsafe, no problem. Open. Okay friends, now I show how to hack. Here you see 0. Beside there is a plus button. Click on it. We clicked on where it was. Now I'm clicking on it. Click on yes. Contact and Google Play. See, you get the money and you like these coins. Yes. See how much you want on that much. Uncountable. Come like it. Somebody will think it is a fake. No, I show you to buy characters in bots. Sorry. Home me characters. Hijack. See, this is the idea. friends to watch this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and comment below. Thank you friends. Bye bye.